Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop lines from snapping to 90 degrees when ortho is already off, using the easy method. This is a great way to unlock your drawing arrow on your current setup session so you can sketch freely at any slant without the line freezing up. Step 1. Check your main ortho tool button. The first step is to double-check your standard straight line tool button at the bottom of your window to make sure it is completely asleep and not accidentally locking your mouse moves. Move your pointer to the row of tiny icons at the very bottom edge of your screen, locate the symbol that looks like a perfect square corner, or press the F8 key on your keyboard. Watch the small icon carefully to make sure its background color changes from active blue to passive gray. Because this basic switch is designed to force your drawing brush to move strictly up, down, left, or right, you have to ensure this primary lock is totally turned off so it stops holding your arrow back. If this button is blue, your line will stay trapped in a straight direction no matter what other adjustments you make. Step 2. Turn off the secondary hidden alignment tool that is secretly tracking your angles and pulling your line back to a straight line every time you move close to it. Look at that same bottom row of toggle icons, find the symbol that looks like a small circle with a clock hand inside it, or press the F10 key on your keyboard. Click the button once so that its blue light switches off, making the icon look dull and gray. Because even when your main straight line switch is off, this circle tool acts like a smart helper that jumps out to snap your lines to perfect square positions. By putting this tracking magnet to sleep, you stop the program from guessing where you want to go. It ensures your lines stop snapping to strict paths when your mouse wrist gets close to a straight direction. Step 3. Clear out the hidden snap increment numbers inside your tracking settings box, so the program doesn't keep a memory of the strict numbers. Move your mouse pointer back to that same circle icon at the bottom, click the tiny arrow sitting right next to it to drop down a settings list, and click on the words Tracking Settings. Look at the top box marked Increment Angle. Click the drop-down, highlight the number list, and make sure it isn't locked on to a tight number like 90. This is the most important part, because if a high number is stuck inside this selection box, the program engine will constantly force your mouse to jump from one major angle path to another. By opening this preference folder and unchecking the additional angle boxes, you clear out the strict rules completely. It is the key step to getting the right output because it unties your cursor from the hidden grid map. And that's it. To stop lines from snapping to 90 degrees, you must first press F8 to make sure your ortho tool is turned off. Then you press F10 to disable the polar tracking circle button so the system stops catching your arrow. Next, you click the side arrow to clear out any strict increment numbers from your settings lists. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.